Commission Gorilla version 3 Pro version bonus page builder walkthrough and demo video. So let's have a quick run through of what you get when you upgrade to the Pro version of Commission Gorilla. And let's start by heading across to My Pages. With the standard version, you're limited to just 20 campaigns or pages. And whilst that will be enough for a lot of people, once you see the kind of boost in conversions and profits that you can get from using bonus pages, you will probably want to start using them for everything you do. In which case the Pro version is for you, as there's no limit on the number of pages you can set up and use. So instead of using your bonus pages just for big promotions and campaigns, you can start using them for everything, including video reviews, social media campaigns, blog posts, and your own offers as well. Next, we're heading into the page editor for the first major feature addition in the Pro version. Using FOMO, or fear of missing out, to push up conversions is a standard part of marketing, and one that gets serious results. The Pro version of Commission Gorilla makes it super simple to add countdown timers to any of your bonus pages. I've already added a countdown timer block on this page, so all I need to do is click on the Pro Features button over here, then click on the countdown timer settings, and I can set up the details for my timer. You have complete control, even down to being able to define what happens when the timer runs out, which you specify under the countdown end here, and then decide whether you're going to hide the counter or you can have it redirect to a different page. So it's that simple to add and set up countdown timers on any of your bonus pages, and you can include these blocks wherever you want within your pages. Then we have the attention bar, which creates a pop-up attention grabbing info bar at the top of your pages with a call to action to get your visitors clicking. You can set up the colors, the text style, the text size, how soon the bar appears, and where the link takes them. So let's quickly click on view for that page, and in a second or two that attention bar will pop up. There we go. So that pops up at the top of the page, grabbing people's attention and links straight through to wherever you want to send people. Then we have the exit redirect pop-ups, which appear when someone goes to close or leave your bonus page. If someone's about to leave your page anyway, why not try one last time to get them to take action? This could be another link for the offer that you're promoting on this bonus page, or it could be to offer a related freebie to get them on your email list. It's entirely up to you. We're simply giving you the option to make sure that traffic doesn't go to waste. Now, one last upgraded Pro option in the page editor is the option for custom codes. This is where you can add any extra code you want, such as pixels, Google Analytics, and tags, etc. If you use custom audiences and retargeting ads, then this is a must-have. Now let's click on Save and Exit so we can have a look at the next two Pro features. First is the option to download a copy of the page to pop on your own website or hosting. This is basically a PHP file with an iframe in it, so it will still update dynamically when you make changes to the page in Commission Gorilla, but it simply allows you to have that page on your own website, so it's part of your branding. And last of all is the option to create an export code for any of your bonus pages. You can then give this to your customers or affiliates so that they can recreate a cloned copy of your bonus page in their copy of Commission Gorilla. Now, this can be used in a variety of different ways, but the obvious one is simply as a bribe to get people to buy Commission Gorilla through your affiliate link, and they can then import your bonus pages to use themselves. A quick note there, they don't need the Pro version to import codes. You only need the Pro version to be able to create the export codes. So that's a quick run through of the extra functionality you get when you upgrade to the Pro version of Commission Gorilla today. You get unlimited pages and campaigns, you get countdown timers, you get attention bars, you get the exit redirect pop-ups, you get the option for custom codes, you get the option to download the page and host it on your own domain or website, and you get the option to export your pages for other people to use. So hit the button below to get upgraded today and max out your conversions with Commission Gorilla Pro. See you on the inside.